Hi everybody! In this tutorial we'll talk about the mobile application. We will learn how to get the mobile app, how to create a config file, where to set up push notifications, and how to work with mobile app translations. The owners of Multivendor Plus and Ultimate are able to use our specially designed mobile application. It is a store but adapted for mobile devices and therefore it works faster than a store in a browser. After the app building, we upload it to Google Play or App Store, where your customers will be able to download it and start to use it. Or you can get the app source code and upload it as its developer. The mobile app supports all the shipping methods defined in your store and several payment methods which are PayPal Express Checkout and offline payment methods such as Discuss with Manager and so on. Speaking of languages, only English and Russian are supported by the app at the moment, so if one of these languages is selected on your device, the app will run in this language. First of all, you have to install the mobile application add-on in your store. Go to Add-ons, Manage Add-ons, and find the mobile application add-on here. Click the install button if you don't have the add-on installed. I do, so I just go to its settings. To open its settings, you have to just click the name of the add-on and go to the settings tab. Here you have to specify some information for us so that we could build the app for you. And let's start with the general tab. Here we have to fill in the following fields: the app name field, the short description and the full description of the application, the support email field, and the privacy policy URL field. In the images section, you can upload some icons for your application, some images maybe, and a splash screen. Now let's move to the translations tab. Here you can upload the translations for your application. Also, there is a direct link. Here it is. This is linked to the page where you can edit already existing translations on the application. You can access this page as well if you go to Administration, Text and Languages, Edit Text. Here in the search panel, just type in Mobile App Mobile and press the search button. And now you can edit all the translations of your mobile application. The information about how to manage text and languages you can also find in our channel. Let's move on. And the next tab is the Configure Colors tab. Everything is pretty simple here. You just set up color solutions for your application and choose background colors, button colors, text colors, and so on. And now there is some major point here. Push the Save button and then go to this button. Click it and you will get an archive called App Settings ZIP. You have to send this archive to our customer care specialist via help desk, and then we will start to build your app based on the data from this archive. Usually it takes about a month or so, and here's another thing. Before we release the app and upload it to Google Play or App Store, we will send you the test version so that you could try it. Let's open the last tab, which is the Promotion tab. Here you have to specify your application ID for App Store or Google Play or both, depending on where your app was uploaded. When a customer opens your store page in a browser on his mobile device, he will be offered to download and install your application. Our mobile app supports push notifications. What does it mean? If you enable those notifications, your customers will get messages on their mobile devices telling them that their order statuses were changed. To enable push notifications in your store, you have to do the following things. First of all, register on the firebaseGoogle.com, create a project here, and then get your API key and the Firebase config file. Then get back to the admin panel. Open the mobile application add-in settings, go to the General tab, and next to Push Notifications, select Yes. Then insert the key in the API key for Push Notifications field and upload the Firebase config file below here. That's it. After that, you have to download the config again and send it to our customer care specialist. The application contains all the products from your store. If you add or delete some products, categories, shipping or payment methods, they will also appear in the app or disappear from it. If a customer has a profile in your store, he can also use it in the application. If he registers in the app, he will also have an account in your store. If a customer adds a product to his cart or to the wish list using the app, this will affect the store as well, and vice versa. So we can say that the sync works both ways. Also, customers always see their entire order history from the website and from the mobile application. So, what vendors can do from the app? They are able to add new products to the store, edit them, upload the product images, and look through the order's detailed information. In addition to changes in products, shipping, and payment methods, you can also make changes to the app appearance using layouts. For example, you can change the content of your homepage. I will show you how. In the administration panel, go to Design, Layouts. After installing the mobile application add-on, a new layout appears in the list, and it is called Mobile App Layout. Here you can customize the appearance of your mobile using blocks. You can learn more about layouts and blocks in our videos about them in a playlist called CS Card Design. Now let's add a few links with some useful information to our homepage. To do this, click the Add Block button, go to the Create New Block tab, and select Pages. I will call my block, for example, Useful Information. Then I go to the Content tab. Here I have to specify the pages I want to place on the home page of my mobile application. I have a whole section of pages in my store, and here it is. It is called Useful Info. I select it, and then I click the Choose button. That's it, let's create it. In my section of useful information, I have 3 pages, and now all of them are placed on the home page on my app. Let's now open the app and check it out. Open the app and take a look at the home page. We can see the links to our info pages here. You just click them and see what they contain. You can also edit the rest of the layout pages in the same way. Please note that there are only 5 types of blocks you can work with when it comes to the mobile app layout. These are banners, categories, vendors, products, and pages. At other times, for example, if you make changes to the colors of the splash screen, or if you want to update the app, you will need to rebuild the app. To do this, you will have to contact our customer care specialists. So the results. In this tutorial, we learned how the mobile app works, where and how to get it, how to work with the config file, and how to set up notifications. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.